Don't you hate it when you think you've scored a great deal on a hotel, only to find hidden fees? Let's break it down. You can book a hotel in 5 minutes on online booking websites. But do you know the real cost? These middlemen often double the profit on your booking. And those sneaky taxes, they pop up only at the end. Ever noticed how breakfast is excluded from the first options? That's no accident. Extra discounts? Often just a hollow promise. And that no accommodation fee claim? You guessed it, still charged to you. Non-refundable fare? Most hotels actually offer partial or full refunds within a time limit. But what happens when you through online sites? Plus, when you have an issue, wouldn't you prefer a solution from someone you know rather than a faceless remote agent? Think about it. Do you want a host who's with you 24/7 or a remote control booking agent? Choose IDT World with you always. Call us at +1 98472404456 or +91 957479777. Your travel, your way, only with IDT.